Pokémon TCG digital launch set for iOS and Android. The countdown begins. The Pokémon Company's latest release, Pokémon TCG, is a digital format that lets players collect Pokémon trading cards on iOS and Android. The game features stunning animations of Pokémon packs being opened and highlights the excitement of acquiring exclusive cards. With adorable artwork and flashy animations, we're now in the final countdown before the game's launch, giving Pokémon fans only a few more days to wait. The game will go live on October 30th, starting at noon GST, with the exact release time varying by time zone. West Coast North America, October 29th, 8 p.m. East Coast North America, October 29th, 11 p.m. UK, October 30th, 3 a.m. Western Europe or Paris, October 30th, 4 a.m. Japan, Tokyo, October 30th, noon. Australia, Sydney, October 30th, 2 p.m. While the timings indicate when Pokémon TCG will be available, players can expect some slight variation. The game isn't available for preload, but players can pre-order and set it for automatic download upon release.